Okay, so this was a 14-inch piece of wood. These are the edges that came off of it. And so I took a 14-inch square piece of wood and turned it into an octagon. And these lines you see is how I could do that, and I'm going to explain that on this one. So basically, you take your compass, line it up with the circle, you make the turn, and you do this on every edge. Okay, so when you do this, you come up with this figure where you can see these lines going across. Well, by doing this, and your center, this is the center point that I should have said is the first thing you get. Then these will cut off, and that's how you get 4 that are the same length all the way around. So this is a 14, this is a 13.5. So this, the main piece I cut with my, stay right there. I cut off of a big piece of plywood with this jabby.